What's up, guys? Today we're making these homemade chicken wings. These are probably one of the best things that I know how to make, and I'm not gonna lie about it. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start by taking our chicken wings, and if there's any frozen, just pull them apart. You want them to be thawed, but like if they're partially frozen a little bit, it's okay. It's literally not gonna kill you. Like literally not going to kill you. So we're gonna add our seasoning. So we're gonna add in our baking powder, and this is crucial to making them like crispy. And then we're gonna add in our onion powder. And then we're going to add in pepper and salt. And then I use a Cajun seasoning, which I think really brings out the flavor. And then paprika. And then we're going to add in our garlic powder. And then mix it all up. Oh, and then make sure you put in some olive oil because that's going to make everything really coated. And then we're going to mix them all up until they are completely evenly coated with everything on there. So we are making garlic wings and not garlic parmesan, garlic butter and barbecue, but we're using the same base seasoning for all of them, and I think that's why they taste so good. So now we're gonna take our air fryer, and you are gonna have to do these like multiple times because you can't have these laying on top of each other. They have to be evenly distributed on top, or I mean on like your air fryer pan. So we're gonna put in 4 of them because that's what fits in my air fryer, and then we're gonna cook them at 390 for 10 minutes. And then after they've cooked for 10 minutes, we're going to take them out and they're going to look like this, and then flip them and then cook them for another 8 at 390. Use your fingers. Do not use the tongs that you use to put those wings in there because that is going to kill you if you do that. You will get food poisoning and salmonella. So we're going to take a garlic butter, and I just use 1 stick of Kellogg's or Kerrigold's garlic butter. That's it. And then we're going to mix it onto all of the wings, and then we're going to separate half of the wings out because those are the ones that we're going to put barbecue sauce on. But the ones that were initially in the bowl with the butter, you just want to mix it around and make sure all the butter gets distributed on there because you want the butter on those more. Then we're going to add in our barbecue sauce, just enough to coat them. I use the Kinder's roasted garlic barbecue sauce. Mix them all together, and then you're going to put them back in the air fryer and just do them at 390 for 5 minutes. They should look like this, and then that's it. Serve them up with some ranch. I'll have a recipe on the channel for the ranch that I make, but they're so good. If you like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit.